Hi there, my name's Jason Perkins, and I want to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney that specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series of videos because I want to provide people who've been injured at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law, the rules of Georgia workers' compensation, and the benefits that they should receive under that law. Today I want to talk to you about transportation to appointments in your workers' compensation case. Now, often when you suffer a serious injury at work, it may be difficult for you to get to the doctor. As a result of your injury, you may not be able to drive. You may have difficulty driving long distances. Oftentimes, the people I represent in workers' compensation cases have to travel some distance to get to the specialist that they need to see. So the question that comes up is, what do you do in this situation? Does the insurance company have any responsibility to transport you to the workers' compensation doctor? Well, the answer is sometimes. Generally, the insurance company's responsibility with regard to transportation is to reimburse you the cost of your mileage to medical appointments. So if you're able to drive yourself back and forth to the doctor, you submit that mileage to the insurance company as far as when you've gone to the doctor or to pick up your medication or to go get an MRI done, and the insurance company reimburses you at the rate of 40 cents a mile for that mileage you incur to get your medical treatment. But what happens when you can't drive? Well, in that situation, the insurance company may have to pay for transportation for you to get you back and forth to the doctor. There's basically three different situations that come up. One is when you cannot drive as a result of your injury. So let's say that you suffer a very serious back or leg injury and it's just not safe for you to drive. Or there's other types of injuries, but this could certainly happen too with a head injury or a neck injury or severe arm injury. It may just not be safe for you to drive. The second situation is where it's not safe for you to drive on a temporary basis. This often occurs when your doctor is going to perform some sort of procedure on you, and after that procedure you're not going to be able to drive because of the medication the doctor's giving you or the injection the doctor's giving you. Third situation that comes up is when your inability to drive is not a result of your injury, but is for some other reason. Your car breaks down, that sort of thing. You just don't have transportation to get back and forth to the doctor. Well, in the first two situations I mentioned, where your injury prevents you from driving or where your injury prevents you from driving temporarily because of treatment, in those situations the insurance company should definitely pay for transportation. In the third situation I mentioned, insurance companies are often going to fight about paying you for transportation. It's not clear under the law whether they have to pay for it or not. The best thing to do, if you want to make sure that the insurance company is going to have to pay to transport you to the doctor, is to get your treating workers' compensation physician to state that you're unable to drive as a result of your injury. In that situation, it should be very clear that the insurance company should be paying for transportation. I hope you found this information about whether workers' compensation covers transportation to medical appointments helpful. If you have, please let me know that. The best way you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. Now, if you want more information about Georgia workers' compensation, I'd encourage you to visit our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation channel on YouTube, or to visit our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com, where there's a number of articles available about Georgia workers' compensation law. And if you've got questions about your case, I'd encourage you to reach out and get answers to those questions. The biggest mistake that people make in workers' compensation cases is waiting too long to get answers to their questions, and they make bad decisions in their case. Or deadlines pass and they can't get the benefits that they should. So reach out if you have questions. The best way to do that is by setting up a free consultation. On our website, again, www.perkinslawtalk.com, you can complete and submit our free consultation request form and we'll get one scheduled for you. Or you can call the phone number at the bottom of the screen and we'll get a consultation set up for you as well. I'd like to thank you again for watching today. I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.